Hello everyone, I am Saurav Kumar from KP Architecture classes, and in our today's interaction we will talk about JEE paper 2. So in this we will first look at the prescribed syllabus as per the latest notification of 2021. We will see what are the different heads that are there in the exam and what is their weightage. So let's start in detail. First, if we talk about the overview of this exam, then it is conducted in February and May. So these are the two phases in which this exam is conducted. And for your eligibility, you need to have 50% marks in physics, chemistry, math. So this is as per your eligibility criteria. What happens in exam is that it is a 3-hour exam having 82 questions. Now the weightage of these questions is 400 marks. That means you need to attempt 82 questions in 3 hours or 180 minutes. The topics that are there, first is your physics, chemistry, and mathematics. This mathematics is the most important one, because if we look at the division of these questions and the marks, then we can understand their respective importance. The part of physics and chemistry is that physics is kind of very rare in JEE, so you can expect 1 or 2 questions. There is an entire dedicated section for mathematics. So if we go into that detail, we have 82 questions and 400 marks. So there are, first thing is maths, having around 30 questions for 100 marks. Then we have aptitude. Now this aptitude is, you can say, both general aptitude plus your architectural aptitude. So you can expect questions from both of them. In general aptitude, you can think of like any 3D image, making it 2D image. So 3D visualization kind of questions. In architectural aptitude, you can get questions related to architecture, your color theory, your color schemes, your building materials, construction techniques, all these things. This aptitude part is the most important one, you can say. The reason being, there are 50 questions which are asked under this head, having 200 marks of weightage. So you can see half of the weightage is given to this category of aptitude. The third one that we have is your drawing and sketching. For this, you will get 2 questions of 100 marks. Now, as per the latest guidelines of JEE paper 2, this maths and aptitude, these two are completely online. You need to do them in your system, online, computer. Next, the drawing and sketching part is offline. That means you will get paper, you need to bring your own stationery, and you need to draw the questions that are given under this head. So you will get 2 such questions. The questions could be of different type, like they can first give you a scene in which you need to visualize a balloon seller in a park with kids playing around, and they can ask you to draw that. So there are different things that they will assess is your drawing skills, then your color theory part, in which they will see the choice of colors and how well you have applied them. Another kind of questions is like you can have some geometrical layout. They can ask you to rotate it 90 degree and then redraw it, or they can give you a square portion in which they want you to do any kind of composition. So such kind of questions could be asked in the drawing and sketching part. For mathematics part, you can think of it as the same level of JEE 1, because all the topics, around 16 topics, are mentioned in JEE. Let's look at the syllabus, you will understand it better. If you look at the first part, that is mathematics, So there are around 16 units which are mentioned in the syllabus. These units are like your set theory, coordinate system, vector algebra, limits, matrices and determinants, permutations and combinations, all these things. The second part, that is of aptitude, it has two units. First is the awareness of person and the building material. That is your architectural aptitude. Second one is the three-dimensional perception, in which the design and drawing of geometrical or abstract shapes. So all those kind of questions are there, as you can see. In our method of preparation, we have prepared modules, set modules based on all these things. So you get dedicated modules in which you get the study material and the associated questions which could be asked in exam. Next part of syllabus is drawing. So as I already explained, you can get the questions of sketching of scenes or activities from your memory. This will be conducted in offline mode and you need to bring your own pencil and geometry box. This was about the syllabus of this exam. Now let's look at what happens is, you can see the pattern keeps on changing. Some of the things are now online, some of the things are still offline. You need to solve them. Also in JEE, we see that maths part is hard because it is same as level of JEE 1. Whereas there are rare questions on your physics and chemistry on those sections. You need to focus more on the aptitude part. We have seen the division of questions and their layout. So this was about JEE. Thank you so much and best wishes. You can get our contact details in the description. Any queries you can have, you can ask. Thank you.